It's time to go. We're going back to Guam. Bye, Philippines. Yan, babalik na tayo. Andito na tayo sa airport. Ang flight natin is 9:20. May special visitor tayo sa bahay. Sino kaya yun? Hindi alam ng asawa ko. Kasabot ang nanay. Ano kaya ang reaction niya? Abangan. We are here in Guam now. Ito na, dito na tayo. Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo. Ano kaya, magugulat kaya yung asawa ko sa makikita niya ngayon? Sino ang special visitor? Titingnan natin anong reaction niya. We are here. You wanna go right now? You wanna go right now? Yeah. Or you gonna sit down? No. Just sit down there. Just sit down there. What's the special?
It's Bambi. Bambi. No wonder. Wait, hold on. Let me sit down. When did you arrive, what?
Oh my God.
Huh?
Did you
The day
surprise?
that you left.
I'm surprised. Yeah, I didn't know that. I thought, that's why I was saying give me drive because, you know.
What's that?
You guys got everything. What did you do? Just 2 weeks ago? Or?
I arrived the day that you left.
That's why you opened the gate. I just
I
talked
didn't
to
see
you.
Christine, though.
No, that's why I talked to you and because yeah, the camera.
Yeah. I didn't see Christine.
Charlie's already like Eric.
Your mom knows? Oh man, I'm the only one.
I said I'm kasabwat.
Nothing's open. Eh?
Every time like we're leaving. Okay.
Oh, see, it's still open. Oh, you should have come with us. Huh? Did you see the B&J vlog?
I saw your videos where you went to Tacloban. I was Tacloban.
We were in the airport. I said we have a special visitor from the state.
I didn't know that.
No, you know, I was in far from you. Surprise!
That's a surprise part. I didn't have no idea. That's a surprise.
My puppy! You guys don't be fighting. Bumpy! Bumpy, come here. Because they're fighting. Come here. Come. Bumpy! Ay, peaches! Peaches! Where you guys going? Come here, guys.
Thank you for watching.